Once more, a very good morning to all of you. Clear? Today we are going to start the chapter number 2. Hope the chapter number 1 is clear to you. And the name of the chapter 2 is The Plant Fairy. The Plant Fairy. Okay? And in this chapter, we will study about the plants. What are the different types of plants? And leaves also. Different types of leaves also. Clear? I'm going to tell you a story. It's very interesting story. Clear? With the help of this story, you will be able to know about the different types of plants and different types of leaves also. Okay, beta? So, last Sunday we went to a garden in the neighborhood. These 4 students, okay, these 4 children along with their Didi, they went to a garden in the neighborhood. It was Sunday and they had a lot of fun over there. आप भी जाते हो ना garden में? And these children, they played hide and seek over there, अंताक्षरी also. आप भी खेलते हो ना अंताक्षरी and hide and seek also? What do you do when you play hide and seek? All the students, all the children, they hide and one student is there to find. Okay, उनको सबको ढूंढता है एक बच्चा और बाकी सब छिप जाते हैं. ऐसे ही होता है ना? तो आप अंताक्षरी भी खेलते हो. They also played अंताक्षरी and hide and seek. Clear? Now, Didi said कि let's play a new game today. आज हम एक नई गेम खेलते हैं. That is, the name of the game is Plant Fairy. And Didi said, I'll be the Plant Fairy. आपको पता है ना फेरी किसे कहते हैं? परी को. तो दीदी क्या बन गई? Plant Fairy. Okay? All of them said, okay, yes, we will play the new game, the Plant Fairy. Clear? Then Didi said, okay, Plant Fairy will ask you something and you have to do that. कि जो मैं बोलूंगी आपको करना पड़ेगा. Okay, she was to call out the name of something and you have to touch that. तो first of all, दीदी ने Plant Fairy ने किसका नाम लिया? Plant Fairy said, go and touch the plants. कि आपने किसको टच करना है? एक प्लांट को. Then all the students, all the children, they ran. Okay, at once all children ran towards the plants. सभी ने एक एक प्लांट को होल्ड कर लिया. You can see, okay, सबसे पहले name of the children. Here is Dayaram, Ammu, Michael and Shabnam. Okay, सबने टच किया. सबसे पहले कौन है? It is Ammu. You can see which plant is held by Ammu. Ammu ने कौन से plant को touch किया? It's marigold. And which plant is held by Shabnam? Shabnam ने किस plant को touch किया हुआ है? Do you know the name? Yes, it is a vine. It is a jasmine plant. And Dayaram, he is standing near neem tree. And he is holding the stem of neem tree. And Michael, he is sitting near a bush. Name of the bush is Mendi. Clear? उसने मेहंदी को पकड़ा हुआ है. मेहंदी भी आपको पता है ये एक प्लांट होती है. Now look at all these plants very carefully. अभी मैं आपसे इन plants से related question पूछने वाली हूँ. Clear? तो आप सबने देख लिया सभी 4 plants को? Ammu, she is holding marigold. Shabnam has held the jasmine plant. Mehndi is near the Michael, and Dayaram is standing near the neem tree. He has got a neem tree. Okay. Now, look at these plants again. Have you noticed all the plants are different from each other? Look at all these 4 plants. What is the difference? Look at all these 4 plants very carefully. आपको कोई difference दिख रहा है उनके size में, उनका stem कैसा है, और उनकी height, whether they are standing or they are lying on the ground, whether they are tall or small, their stem is thick or thin. Have you noticed these differences? Yes. Okay. Now what I'm going to tell, listen very carefully. Amu has got the marigold, and these are the flowers of marigold. Where have you seen these flowers? Have you seen these flowers earlier? Very good. Okay, आप सबने देखा हुआ है इन plants को, इन flowers को. Where do you see these flowers? कहाँ देखते हो आप इन flowers को? You can write in the chat box. Where do you find these? Yes, you find in the garden, in the flower beds, in a school. Very good. And people use these flowers to decorate their mandir also. Gurdwara mein bhi we use the garlands of these flowers. इनके हम हार बनाते हैं ना, and we offer to Gurdwara and in front of the God. Okay, Gurdwaras में decorate करते हैं. When some festival is there, we use these flowers to decorate the house. Clear? The house, gate, mandir, and all that. Clear? So they make the surrounding very beautiful. Okay? And these are called herbs. Herb is a type of plant which are very small in size. जैसे trees होती हैं, trees तो बहुत बड़े होते हैं पेड़, but herbs कैसे होती हैं? They are small trees, and look at the stem of these plants. Herbs are small plants. You have to look at the stem of these. Stem of these plants is very delicate, soft होता है, and it is green in color. Stem of herb is green in color, and these are very small plants. Can you give example of another herb? Write it in the chat box. कोई और herb की example आपको पता है? Yes. Very good. You have written कि marigold is used to make holy. Yes, very good. वो भी बनाते हैं हम लोग. Rice, very good. Rice is herb. Wheat is a herb. Grass is a herb. Clear? So, then this is jasmine, and it is a climber. आपने वहाँ नोट किया था पिक्चर में. Climber means they cannot stand on their own. They need to climb with the help of a support. ये अपने आप ऊपर क्लाइंब नहीं कर सकते because their stems are weak. Okay? इनके जो stem है वो weak होते हैं, and they cannot climb on their own. With the help of a support, with the help of another plant, they climb. And jasmine is a climber. Where do we use it? It has an aromatic smell. बहुत अच्छी fragrance होती है. That's why it is used to make scent or perfume. And it is used to make oil also, which we apply in the hair also. इनका ऑयल बनता है, वो भी हम यूज करते हैं. इनके फ्लावर्स को गजरा वगैरह बनाने में यूज करते हैं. और इनका परफ्यूम भी होता है, टेल्कम पाउडर भी आता है इनका। क्लियर? तो इनकी फ्रेग्रेंस यूज होती है, तो वो ये क्या करती हैं, दे आर यूज्ड फॉर मेनी पर्पसेस। ओके, सो यास्मीन इज अ क्लाइंबर। नाउ दयाराम हेल्ड नीम ट्री। आपने देखा दयाराम वाज स्टैंडिंग नियर द नीम ट्री, उसने नीम ट्री को पकड़ा हुआ था। लुक एट द पिक्चर, नीम इज अ ट्री एंड इट इज बिग इन साइज। जैसे क्लाइंबर्स का स्टेम वीक होता है, वो सपोर्ट लेकर क्लाइंब करते हैं, हर्ब स्मॉल प्लांट्स होते हैं, ऐसे जो नीम है इट इज वेरी बिग इन साइज, बहुत बड़ा साइज होता है। एंड trees are big plants which have big strong stem called trunk. जो स्टेम होता है प्लांट्स का, ट्रीज का, उसे हम ट्रंक बोलते हैं। क्लियर? एंड नीम का यूज क्या है? वेयर डू वी यूज द नीम? नीम इज अ मेडिसिनल प्लांट, means it is used to purify the blood. When we boil the neem leaves in the water, if we drink that water, it is used to purify the blood. And dry neem leaves are kept in the food items like rice, etc. They are used to keep the insects away from grains. इनकी लीव्स को अगर ग्रेन्स में रख दें तो उनको कीड़ा नहीं लगता, इंसेक्ट्स आर केप्ट अवे। एंड जब समटाइम्स इनकी जो लीव्स हैं उनको आग लगाते हैं तो उनकी स्मेल से जो है वी कैन कीप द मस्कीटोज अवे। It can be used to keep the mosquitoes away, can be used as mosquito repellent. Clear? So neem has its medicinal value. Next is Mendi. Mendi was touched, Mendi bush was touched by Michael. And Mendi is an example of shrub. अभी तक हमने क्या किया? Herbs, climbers, trees. Now Mendi is an example of shrub. Do you know what do you mean? What do you mean by shrub? What are shrubs? Yes, shrubs are the medium-sized plants. जैसे हर्ब्स बहुत छोटे होते हैं, ट्रीज बहुत बड़े साइज के होते हैं, तो श्रब्स कैसे होते हैं? मीडियम साइज, लाइक द साइज ऑफ यू, योर हाइट। अगर आपकी बराबर की हाइट का थोड़ा ऊपर या नीचे प्लांट है और उसमें थिन वुडी स्टेम है, दैट इज अ श्रब। श्रब की बुशेस होती हैं। क्लियर? इनका थोड़ा हार्ड, थोड़ा थिन और वुडी स्टेम होता है, बट हर्ब्स का साइज स्मॉल होता है एंड देयर स्टेम इज सॉफ्ट एंड ग्रीन। बट इनका स्टेम कैसे होता है? वुडी स्टेम, बट होता थिन है। जैसे प्लांट्स का थिक स्टेम होते हैं, श्रब्स का कैसे होता है? थिन बट वुडी स्टेम। सो मेहंदी इज अ श्रब and it is used to apply apply on the palms. Girls apply मेहंदी on the palms, like आपको पिक्चर में दिख रहा है ना, मेहंदी लगाती हैं गर्ल्स when wedding or some festival is there. इसकी जो लीव्स है उसको क्रश करते हैं, ग्राइंड करते हैं, पाउडर इज मेड, ओके, देन दैट पाउडर इज यूज्ड टू अप्लाई ऑन द palms. ओके, so मेहंदी is a shrub. So plants are of different types. सभी plants क्या हैं? वो different types के होते हैं. Like neem is a tree. Now write down a few characteristics of tree. फटाफट से चैट बॉक्स में लिखो आपको trees. What do you know about the trees? Write it in the chat box. What is the size of tree? Be quick. Yes. Size of the tree is big. Very good. Yes, you are very quick to answer. Size of the tree is big. And what about the stem? Stem is thick and What do we call the stem of the plant? Tree. What do we call the stem of the tree? We call it trunk. Stem of the tree is thick. We call it trunk. And it is the middle part of the plant. Very good. आपको तो पंजाबी में भी टाइप करना आता है. Very good. So, and Michael ने क्या पकड़ा हुआ है? मेहंदी. Mehendi is a shrub or herb or a tree? What type of plant is mehendi? Write it. Mehendi is a bush and it is a shrub. Okay, mehendi is a shrub. जो bushes होती हैं we call them shrub. Can you name another shrub? Rose plant देखा आपने? वो भी एक shrub है. China rose also, जिसको हम कहते हैं hibiscus. Clear? That is also a shrub. Marigold is a herb. Clear? Marigold का जो stem है, it is green and soft. Size of the plant is small, so it is a herb. But मेहंदी की bush थोड़ी बड़ी होती है, so it is used. We call it shrub. मेहंदी is a shrub because इसमें थोड़ा wooden part होता है stem में, and neem is a tree. Jasmine is climbing on a plant, so it is a climber. Marigold is a herb because it is small in size and the trunk is and the stem is green and soft. Okay, beta. So there are different types of plants: herbs, shrubs, trees, climbers, and creepers. Clear? Now, Gurjot, beta, unmute yourself.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, beta, everything is clear to you?
Ma'am, yes.
Okay, if any problem is there, so you can ask me, okay? Yes, can you name a tree? Yes.
Ma'am, Jasmine is a climber?
Yes, beta, it is a climber because it climbs with the help of a support. किसी और plant की help से ये climb करता है. And trees are big in size, herbs are small in size, and shrubs are medium size.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, you are unmuted. Ma'am, you're
मैसेज में लिखो
नहीं.
और लिखा नीचे अच्छा वो पढ़ी जा रही है
Yes.
Sorry beta, I was on mute. Yes, where is Didi sitting? Didi is sitting on the grass. Grass is a herb or shrub? Grass is a herb. Okay, it is a herb. Yes, now all the children, they were enjoying the game. Now game has started again. Clear? Now this time Didi said, touch a tree with which has either a thick or a thin trunk. Trunk आपको पता है? Can you see the trunk of this plant? This is the thick part जो है above the ground, branching के नीचे वाला part और ग्राउंड के बिल्कुल ऊपर से जो पार्ट स्टार्ट हो रहा है, जस्ट जहाँ पे रूट्स फिनिश होती हैं, दैट पार्ट इज कॉल्ड द ट्रंक. दिस इज द ट्रंक. ट्रंक इज द मिडल पार्ट ऑफ द ट्री. So Didi said, because Didi is a plant fairy, the plant fairy said, okay, now go and touch a plant which has either a thick stem or a thin stem. Now all ran quickly to hold the plant which has either thick stem or a thin stem. Now you can see banyan tree has a thick stem. Can you thick trunk होता है उसका? Can you name a plant which has thin stem? अशोका प्लांट दिखा आपने? उसका स्टेम इतना थिक नहीं होता, but mango has thick stem. Clear? So some of the plants has thick stem and some of the plants has thin. Some plants they have thick stem and some plants they have thin stem. Now Michael found the game very interesting. He said, "Ki all are following the orders of plant fairy, so I'll be the plant fairy now." All started laughing. You are a boy, plant fairy to girl hoti hai. Clear? But he said, "No, I'll be the plant fairy." So all agreed. Now Michael is the plant fairy. Michael said, "Get me some leaves." No, he said, "Get me some leaves. कुछ leaves लेकर आओ मेरे लिए." Then all ran to collect the leaves. Now look at the leaves collected by the children. See the color of the leaves. Are they in the same color? No. Some leaves are red. Okay, one leaf is yellow, one is purple. Some are dark green and some leaves are light green. So all leaves are not same. They have different shapes also. Some are long, some are small, some are triangular shape. Clear? And look at their margins also. Margins means जो उसकी outer covering है, वो भी एक जैसी नहीं है. Okay, some leaves have even margins, some have straight margins. Okay, so leaves are of different shapes, different sizes and different colors. Okay, so now Amu and Shabnam say कि now we want to become plant fairy. कि अब हमें भी plant fairy बनना है. Okay, all are excited. But Didi said, "Not today. It's time to go home now. Okay, now we will go home because we are going late." Okay, so our parents will be waiting, so we have to go to home. So we will play this game again next day. Okay, but you have to do one home task. होमवर्क क्या है? Collect some different types of leaves. आप सबने different types of leaves collect करनी है. This is your homework also. But you don't have to pluck the leaves. आपने leaves plant से नहीं pluck करनी. Okay? Where from you have to collect the leaves? which has fallen on the ground. Okay, which are lying on the ground. जो plant से गिर जाती हैं leaf, जो ground पे पड़ी होती हैं, you have to collect those leaves. आपको leaves plant से नहीं तोड़नी. Okay, beta, you don't have to pluck the leaves, you have to collect the leaves which are lying on the ground. And tomorrow, all of you will have different types of leaf. Show me your thumbs up. You will collect the leaves? Yes? Very good. Okay? Tomorrow, when we start the class, you must have you must